Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got an exciting product to review for you, the NitriPride Nitrile-Vinyl Blend Exam Gloves. These gloves are an absolute game changer when it comes to protective gear, and I can't wait to share all the great features with you. First off, these gloves are 100% free of latex, rubber, powder, and protein, making them the perfect choice for anyone with skin sensitivities or allergies. You can protect your hands from bacteria without any discomfort, making them an ideal choice for medical professionals, cooks, cleaners, and more. The quality of these gloves is truly top-notch. They are made of durable nitrile vinyl blend, ensuring that they are strong and resistant while maintaining a comfortable fit. The ambidextrous design and bulk value of 100 gloves make them extremely convenient and easy to use. Not only are these gloves perfect for medical professionals, but they also have a wide range of uses in everyday life. From cooking and food prep to painting and cleaning, these gloves have got you covered. Plus, with NitriPride's 30-day money-back guarantee, you can order with peace of mind, knowing you're getting a quality product. So, if you're in need of reliable, high-quality exam gloves, look no further than the NitriPride Nitrile-Vinyl Blend Exam Gloves. You can find the link to purchase in the description below. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more great reviews and recommendations.